Hello everyone, and thank you for having me. I'll be presenting to you about my opposition to Senator Jones' bill. Senator Jones introduced a bill that will require all states receiving federal funding to conduct an annual BMI screening to all students enrolled in grade K to 12. And all the students whose BMI will be above the 85 percentile will be required to be referred to a registered dietitian for nutritional therapy. While I agree with Senator Jones about the issue that this policy will be addressing, in this case obesity, I think this bill will bring many unintended consequences and will also harm the population affected by this policy. First, the first weakness of this bill would be the BMI screening, because BMI is not a good tool to measure obesity because of different shortcomings, which can be BMI doesn't accurately diagnose obesity, as many scientific agree, because it has poor sensitivity, poor specificity, and also does not differentiate between bone structure and lean mass or central or peripheral fat. And also the focus on weight and body image has a very negative impact on the health of the well-being of our students, especially the mental health, because many students already struggle with their body image. So having a BMI screening at school will add more struggle to the student who are already having difficult experiences at school. So as we determine also, while the nutrition therapy is good, can help some students, it won't solve the problem. It will also have a benefit, will not benefit all the students. So we will be proposing a policy that will take the focus away from the body image and weight, but we focus on the underlying causes of obesity, which are life choices and nutrition. So what we are proposing is that to fund interventions that will offer more nutritious food in school, that will bring more physical activities in school. So we are offering strategies like ACE, which is a concept that will help children focus more on active living, focus more on well-being and their well-being instead of just focusing on their weight. So we're proposing to fund physical activities in school, to hire more mental health educators, to hire more staff that will help students practice, be involved in physical activities. And also this policy will require funding to provide more nutritious food in the schools. So if we prioritize active physical activities in schools and offering nutritious food in school, that will have a positive impact on the overall health of all the students, and it will be a better alternative policy to Senator Jones' policy. Thank you so much.